Hey guys, welcome to Anju Risa channel. My name is Risa, but you can call me Risa. It's easier. And in this video, I will show you how to easily make this hair bow with using a Jacquard fabric. Stay tuned. The first thing is to prepare your fabric. I am using Jacquard fabric, and Jacquard fabric is very beautiful. And yes, it's so pricey. I think it's worth the price. If you are working with pattern fabric, make sure... Sorry, I forgot to silence my phone. If you are using fabric with beautiful pattern, make sure that the pattern is right in the middle, because once you finish the hair bow, it will only show about this. The same thing goes to the other fabric. As you can see, the beautiful flower is here, but once we finish the hair bow, it will only show about like this. So make sure that you are using a pattern fabric with the beautiful pattern right in the center. The size of this fabric is about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. And this one is 20 centimeters by 28 centimeters. We simply fold the fabric in half. We are going to sew this part. And do the same thing. Fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. Make sure that we leave an opening right in the center to let us turn the fabric. After this, I will use another fabric with the size about 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. Next, we are going to open the seam here on both sides, and we are going to sew both edges. And do the same thing to the other fabric. Open the seam, and we are going to sew this part. It's like this. Next is to turn the fabric inside out. I am using a loop turner to turn this little fabric right here because it's quite small. If you don't have this loop turner, you can always use a safety pin. After this, press all fabrics flat down. It's quite puffy, so I'm going to press it flat down. As you can see, it's so puffy, so I'm going to press it flat down. Next, I'm going to draw the center of the fabric. Fold the fabric in half, and we can simply draw a straight line right in the middle. Do the same thing here. Fold the fabric in half, draw a straight line, and I'm going to fold this right this, and I'm going to mark the center right here. Next is to place the hair bow. I want the flower to face on the right side, or like this. I think it's like this. I will place it right on the line that we just draw, and we are going to sew this part. Should I put it like this or this? I think I will put it like this because the flower here will show on the final result. I think I will put it like this. As you can see, I've decided to put the pattern of this flower here, so when I gather the fabric, it will show right on the tails here, and it's very beautiful. Next is to gather the fabric. I will gather the fabric from here to here. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. As you can see, the shape is very, very beautiful, especially when we made this using a Jacquard fabric. Look, it looks so luxurious and gorgeous. Next is to attach a hair clip. I will attach the hair clip. I am using a hot glue gun and put a glue along the clip and then put a lot of glue right on the holes here, so these holes will hold the clip more secure. After this is the last step. Just put around the bow and we are going to sew this for the last time. I will move my needle to the left side so it gets close to the bow. After this, cut the excess fabric and turn it over. After I turn the fabric, I will use a dab of glue right in the center here to make sure that the centerpiece stays in place. And there you go. Our beautiful hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!